Okay, children. So, continuation of challenges improving in agriculture products. Okay, children. So, up to vermicompost and panchagavya we have studied now. So, what is vermicompost? Vermicompost is nothing but it is also one kind of biofertilizer, natural fertilizer. Okay, vermicompost. To prepare vermicompost, we require earthworms, okay, soil, cow dung, and some leaves and twigs are used to prepare vermicompost. Okay, if you use vermicompost, soil fertility will increase. Okay, children. Next, panchagavya. Panchagavya already I told. So panchagavya means cow dung, cow urine, kallu, banana paste, sugarcane juice. So these items mixed and stir well. So keep aside for 3 to 10 days. So after 10 days, if you observe, we will get biomanure, that is called panchagavya. Okay, so this panchagavya is used as a sprinkler method. So and also it is used for food for hens and fishes. Okay, children. Next, organic farming. Organic farming is used to maintain soil productivity. Okay, children. So this type of farming, farmers use natural manures, biofertilizers, natural manures and natural pest controlling methods. Okay, and also they develop crop rotation and mixed crop systems. Okay, children. Next, in organic farming, farmers use biofertilizers like some microorganisms increase soil fertility. So those are called biofertilizers. Clear, children? So for example, biofertilizers, bacteria. So in Fabaceae related root nodules, some bacteria like rhizobium take shelter in root nodules of groundnut plants. Okay, so plant giving shelter and food for plants, and bacteria trap atmospheric nitrogen and converts into nitrates supplied to the plant. Okay, this process is called symbiosis. Here both organisms, plant and bacteria, helpful to each other. So that process is called symbiosis. Next, example for algae, blue-green algae. Blue-green algae also used as a fertilizer to increase soil fertility. Okay, next, fungi. Mycorrhiza. Fungi means mycorrhiza and penicillium. So these also increase soil. Next, generally biofertilizers are two types. One is nitrogen fixers and the other is phosphorus moralizers, solubilizers. Observe the flow chart. Okay, so biofertilizers are two types: nitrogen fixers and phosphorus fertilizers. Next, chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers, example, urea, superphosphate, ammonium sulfate and potassium nitrate. So E4 fertilizers ni chemical fertilizers antaru. Urea, superphosphate, ammonium sulfate and potassium nitrate. Okay, children. Next we use some agriculture practice management. So crop protection also one of the important aspect to get more yield. Okay, so first we should remove unwanted plants like weeds. Okay, next protect from pest control methods to kill pests. Next, insects, protect from insects and plant diseases. Plants also get a number of diseases due to microorganisms. Okay, so next, natural pest control. natural pest controlling method. Okay, some mixed crops also control some pests and diseases. Okay, mixed crops like wheat and mirchi, okay, cabbage and green gram, so like that. Mixed crops also control some pests and diseases. After paddy cultivating, black gram, groundnut, etc. prevent some viral diseases. Okay, after paddy, if you cultivate black gram and groundnut, so prevent some viral diseases on paddy. Okay children, so after paddy పండించిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ బ్లాక్ గ్రామ్ మినపప్పుని కానీ గ్రౌండ్ నట్ పల్లీలను కానీ పెంచితే సో పెస్ట్ కంట్రోల్ని చేయొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ వైరస్ డిసీజెస్ నుంచి ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ రెడ్ గ్రామ్ కల్టివేటింగ్ మేజ్ కార్న్ టు ప్రివెంట్ worm and some diseases. These are called akarshaka pantalu. Red gram and cultivating maize and corn prevents spotted bollworm and dried disease. If you cultivate maize and green gram, so these also protect from some diseases. So these are called akarshaka pantalu. Okay children, after cotton cultivating maize and gingerly. After cotton cultivating maize and gingerly prevent gram caterpillar. Red gram cultivating maize corn prevents spotted dried diseases. So these are called akarshaka pantalu. So remember akarshaka pantalu examples. Next, improvement in food production and sustaining soil health. Food production improve avali, soil health also improve cheyali. As well as environmental protection are the challenges of agricultural practices. Food production, soil health and environmental protection. These are the challenges in improving agriculture. Farmers should aware of quality and some agriculture methods. So farmers also should aware of some agricultural practices, some methods, and which soil is useful for which type of crops. So farmers also need aware of some agricultural practices to improve quality of crops. Okay children. So in this lesson we studied about chemical fertilizers, natural fertilizers, mixed crops, soil fertility, crop rotation, green manure, vermicompost, panchagavya, okay, pest control methods, biofertilizers, okay. So these topics we studied in this lesson children. Okay, this lesson is very easy. So read once, write your own. Okay children. So transpiration, removal of excess water in the form of water vapor through stomata. Excess water removed in the form of water vapor through stomata is known as transpiration. Okay children. So next, plant, if you pour 100 ml of water, only 1% of water utilized for its functions. Okay, remaining 99 ml eliminates outside in the form of water vapor. So this is called transpiration. Next, dryland crops, ఆరుతడి పంటలు also suitable for less water available areas. ఆరుతడి పంటలను పండిస్తే వాటర్ లేకున్నా కూడా మనకు క్రాప్స్ వస్తాయి. దీస్ క్రాప్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ డ్రై ల్యాండ్ క్రాప్స్. ఆరుతడి పంటలు సూటబుల్ ఫర్ లెస్ వాటర్ అవైలబిలిటీ ఏరియాస్. ఓకే, అండ్ వి స్టడీడ్ అబౌట్ macronutrients and micronutrients. So plants require macronutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and micronutrients like boron, copper, iron. Okay, so these are called micronutrients. Mixed crops increase soil fertility. Crop rotation also increase soil fertility. Nutrients are replenished to the soil by rotating, అంటే మళ్ళీ అయిపోయిన న్యూట్రియంట్స్ని తిరిగి సాయిల్ పొందడానికి మనం మిక్స్డ్ క్రాప్స్ని, రొటేషన్ క్రాప్స్ని, ఆ మెథడ్స్ని ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. ఒకటే ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ ఒకటే టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్రాప్ని కాకుండా డిఫరెంట్ క్రాప్స్ కల్టివేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, ఎనీ ప్లాంట్ లీవ్స్ ఆల్సో కెన్ బి యూజ్డ్ యాజ్ గ్రీన్ మాన్యూర్. వర్మీ కంపోస్ట్ ఈజ్ better than chemical fertilizer. Panchagavya also better than chemical fertilizer. Okay, overusage of pesticides leads to soil pollution. Overusage, ఎక్కువ పెస్టిసైడ్స్ ని యూజ్ చేయడం వల్ల సాయిల్ పొల్యూట్ అవుతుంది, సో వాటర్ పొల్యూషన్ అవుతుంది. సో దీస్ ఆర్ హజార్డ్ టు biodiversity. So that's why instead of chemical fertilizers, use biofertilizers to improve soil fertility and to improve soil health. Clear, children? So this is about challenges improving in agricultural products. Clear? Understood? Okay, children? So once read textbook. Okay, children? And remember main point. Okay, children?